Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. I am sleepy this morning, but we are off to the bank right now to pull some cash to buy another Cadillac. Now, this one's kind of fun because I've actually never owned this type before. I've owned this year in a hearse, but I've never owned, like I said, this type. So I'll post a picture of it right here, and you guys can see the surprise. But my guy is headed down to get it here in a few minutes, so I'm going to meet him at the bank, hand him some cash, and he's going to go grab it for me. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys will continue to tune in. I'll be showing off the car later. It will be for sale, so if anybody out there is interested, I'll post my contact information here in a little bit. But anyway, that's what we're doing this morning. More Cadillacs. All right. Take care, everybody. See you in a bit.